But researchers are yet sensing the issue: why are we humans the just apes? How can say? How surprise has now led to an understanding in how various non-human primates' brains are attached for vocals capacity. A new research has compared various Archbishop kind brains. It show how primates in broad vocals repertoires had more than of their marrow devoted to control their vocals device. How suggests how our own talk skills may include developed as our brains slowly rewired to monitoring how device, quite rather than cleanly, since we're smarter rather than non-human apes. Humans and some primates include really such vocals dissection, in regulation of their tongues and throat. How's the natural mechanism in the neck that allows us to rotate air in audio? So, as conduct investigator Dr. Jacob Dunn of Anglia Ruskin College in Cambridge explainable, it remnant a secret how just humane primates can in fact say. How compare is precisely which Dr. Dunn and his fellow professor Jeroen Smaer set out to do. They ranged 34 various Archbishop kind relying on their vocals abilities, the quantity of clear telephone call they are named to do in the savage. They later discussed the marrow of every kind, with data of current, canned brains how had been stored for study. It turns out down there's the sign during the brains of primates how relates immediately to their vocals repertory, told Dr. Dunn. These more than vocally expert apes, the research show, had comparatively big areas of the marrow named as cork associate areas, substantially marrow regions that get touch entry and solve which to do in it. They're a type of filtering to monitoring the judgment-making trial, explainable Dr. Dunn. As well, and maybe largest importantly, bonobos and the some more than vocals apes, consisting chimpanzees, had lot greater components of the marrow devoted to monitoring of the language. This suggests, the researchers tell, how time our Archbishop kin may so be quite clever to evolve and know facility ways of connected, the volunteer monitoring of their vocals device, quite rather than their intellect, is the restrictive element. With we cannot research our dead humane ancestors, scientists all above the planet yet see to our nearest Archbishop kin to fill in the gaps in our expertise on the evolutionary of thing as facility and key to humanus as tongue. Insight how the marrow is attached in these various Archbishop kind and how relates to vocals capacity, could, offered Dr. Dunn, go several way to help us know how the facility volunteer monitoring above vocals manufacture may include developed in humans, eventually guideline to our own capacity to say.